i35equipment.com. Today we're checking out our full inventory of hydraulic excavator thumbs. You see our full size run running from our largest hydraulic thumb, which is a 32 by 72, all the way down to your mini excavator or compact excavator sizes, which are the 10 by 35 and the 8 by 30. So we've got a hydraulic thumb that fits just about every machine out there. You see they're all weld on design. That means they're going to fit universally. You just need to make sure of two measurements. One, make sure that your stick width accommodates the width of the weld on bracket, and that the length of the thumb, which is from this back pin to the tip of the teeth, and roughly back right behind this back pin right here, gives you enough reach from your stick to touch your bucket teeth or your bucket lip if you have a weld-on cutting edge on your bucket. The problem is that you don't have enough reach and your thumb falls inside the bucket. It's just not very useful. You want to be able to have it'd be better to have it slightly longer than slightly shorter. That way your bucket doesn't swallow your thumb. Hydraulic thumbs are fantastic as you can change the angle of the thumb on the fly. However, my favorite part of a hydraulic thumb is that when you go to load your machine to get it on the trailer, you can actually put the thumb up flat against the stick just using a button instead of having to come out and unpin it to make sure that you're able to get your arm down really enough to be on the trailer. You can always see the full inventory, all the specs, photos, and pricing online at www.i35equipment.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. 405-833-6437 is the phone number here. Now we do ship thumbs, buckets, attachments, and equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick them up for yourself if you're so equipped. There's our website and the phone number. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a wonderful